Hey guys, a little bit of an update, sort of. So I haven't posted anything in a while because I have been on vacation, or we just got back, and also I've been working on a commission project. So I haven't been able to work on any more helmets, which I really do want to. I have another one on deck that I want to start working on. But I guess my question for you guys is, do you guys want to see the commission projects that I work on? It's nothing exciting like the helmets. But let me show you what I'm working on. You guys can let me know, for those of you who actually comment on my videos. This client wanted a Moana diorama for their daughter's birthday. And I have to have this done by October. And it's taking me a little bit longer because I haven't been working on it as much as I could be. And so right now I'm just doing some priming. I did resin printing on all these guys. Except this guy I did on the CR10 because it's a lot bigger. But yeah, next step after priming is painting. But is this something you guys would even be interested in watching me work on? I've also been kind of playing with the idea of doing like live streams of me working on the projects. But again, I don't know. It's very niche, so I don't know how many people would even be interested in watching that. But I guess there's an audience for everything. Anyway, let me know. Otherwise, hopefully soon I will start doing, at least start printing the next helmet. And I can post that on here, and then you guys can let me know. But yeah, just want to give you guys a quick update, and take it easy.